Hi, my name is Ben. I'm here with Safety Restore. We specialize in post-accident restoration services. Now, if you deal with salvage cars or just an everyday buyer and your car has been in an accident and you don't know what to do, we're the guys you should call. Now, in front of me, you'll see that I have some of the services that we offer, and you might find these when you're taking apart your car trying to figure out what the issue is. Obviously, we have some seatbelts and an airbag module. Now, if your car has been in an accident where the airbag has deployed and sent a crash code where there is now a light on your dashboard, this is caused by this little box. This module will read that, and until it is wiped properly and safely, unfortunately that light will not go off. This is something that you can just send over to our facility, Safety Restore, and we will be able to take care of this within 24 hours and send it right back to you ready to use in the car. Next, let's move on to one of our most common items that we get sent in, and that is the seatbelt. Now, a lot of times it could be a bad accident or nothing, even a little fender bender that did nothing to the car, but the seatbelt has still locked up. What we do here at Safety Restore is we'll be able to repair the seatbelt at a fraction of the cost. All you have to do is send it in to us, wait 24 hours and a few days for shipping, and you will have the seatbelt ready to use in the car again. Sometimes your dog just gets to your seatbelt webbing and you don't know what to do. It chews right through it and you would like that replaced. Or sometimes you would just like to redo the color of your car. Seatbelts are a great touch. They really stand out, and a lot of our customers love changing the webbing color. As you'll see in front of me here, I have some different shades and colors that we can do. These are just some of the colors that we offer. Now, we'll be able to repair them. All you have to do, send them in, and within 24 hours, we'll have that webbing replaced for you and ready to go. If any of these services is something that you would need, all you have to do is visit our website, safetyrestore.com, on your phone, tablet, or computer. It's a very easy to navigate site with many questions that have been asked by customers in the past. What we offer, pictures of exactly what we are looking for and what you need to take out of your car. Very easy to use site. Now, all you have to do is pick the product or service that you desire. Airbag module reset right here. Add it to cart. Proceed to checkout. And follow the directions after the checkout page. Once you have paid for the service and are ready to send it in to us, it is very easy. All you have to do is box up your product, put the receipt inside the box, and ship it over to Safety Restore. Now, if you have any questions or anything else that you would like to ask, please feel free to give us a call or visit us at safetyrestore.com.